Hi, welcome to my channel Tech EPU. This is our channel first video, and in this video I am gonna teach you how to create a Gmail account. And this video is especially for beginners who are newly in this online field and want to create a Gmail account. If before starting the video, if you did not subscribe to my channel Tech EPU, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned. And so let's start the video. You can use any browser like Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. So I am gonna use Google Chrome for this tutorial video. So let's start the video. Just need to open the Google Chrome. Here you can see this already Gmail option is given, or if you did not find this option, you can search here direct Gmail. Click on the first option. Now we are on the main page of the Gmail account, so just need to click create an account. On the next page, Google is asking the first name and last name. You can type your own name. On the next option, Google is asking to you just you create your username. I am using Tech EPU 123. On the next tab, they are asking to create a password, and on the next to confirm password. Here is the password instructions are given that at least 8 words and with mix of letters and numbers and symbols. After filling this form, you just need to click on the next option. Now on the next page, Google is asking to provide our cell number and recovery email and date of birth and gender. Now put your original date of birth. Select your gender and click on the next button. On the next page, Google is showing their privacy and terms and conditions to use the Gmail account. You can read the whole description or scroll down the page. Just need to click on the agree button, and that's all. Your email account is created. Here you can see that we have received the welcome email from the Google. So account is successfully created. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learn more interesting things on this channel.